Hey, it's Ben at DCD Cabinets here to show you a couple tidbits that you're going to get with your delivery. Today we're going to talk about moldings. Trim pack that comes with your cabinetry can be many pieces or a few pieces depending on the design. On your paper drawings that you'll receive with your cabinets will be a side view of your cabinets and where the moldings go with labels on them. So never fear, it's on the paperwork. As an example, here's a couple moldings that go for this customer. This is our toe kick molding that goes right in the toe space. A simple 4-inch plywood that's painted the same color as the cabinets. Easy for you to cut and fit right into place. Then we have a simple top molding that this customer wants going right up against the soffit at the top of the cabinetry. And we have a scribe molding for along the vertical and horizontals of the cabinets to fill in any gaps or anything needed. Many guys use this, some guys don't. But we always provide it with the kit, so that way you have everything you need and a little extra. So the extra molding is for you to use for the job, and I don't need it back.